Whenever I think of fall, I always think of the food. Don't you think of the food? The holidays are coming, and Thanksgiving, and Christmas, and then it's colder outside, and you want to make pies, and you want to make cookies, and you want to have people over. That is what is perfect about this rolling pin. So I love this rolling pin. It's all done in wood, and what you're going to do is you're going to use this to make a beautiful pattern in the top of your sugar cookies, in the top of a pie crust, whatever you want to roll out using this, you're going to have this beautiful pattern in it. Wouldn't that be amazing? People come over and then you have look like a pie, and then each piece has that beautiful pattern. Maybe you're making little personal pies. Oh my gosh, it's going to be fabulous. Cookies. I love this idea. So it's an idea that I've always loved, and I have to say, when we were in Europe in April, I saw a lot of these when I was in Europe. I think the Europeans just love to entertain and have people over. So this is going to make that special touch that you love when your friends come over around the holidays or Thanksgiving, or just when you want to do something special for your family or you and your honey. This is the perfect thing that just makes you happy that it's fall.